The only excitement in their lives comes in high summer when the amarula trees are in full fruit. At first, the amarulas are very tasty and hard to get at. You have to be either agile or strong to get your share. But after a few weeks, the amarulas get overripe and they start dropping from the trees. Then all the animals wade in and gorge themselves on the rotting fruit. It starts fermenting in their tummies and turns into a very potent brew. So on the way home, things start happening to them. When night falls, there's peace again. A very blissful peace. Of course, not everybody in the Kavango leads a wasteful life. Some members of this too prosperous society are still sober,